How to set different notification sound for different app on your Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to apps. Tap on apps. Now here you can see the list of different available apps. Select any social media apps you want to change notification sound for a specific app. So here we select the Instagram or an InShot application in my device. Now tap the notification. Make sure to click on this option. In the by default you can't see the any category option on your device, any Samsung device. If you want to set a different notification sound for specific app, you need to enable the option. Let's see the option. You must enable this option to set the different notification sound for each app on your device. So go back again, scroll down, tap the notification option on your device, tap the advanced settings. Now scroll down. Here you can find the option manage notification categories for each app. Make sure to go on this option to set the notification for specific app like Instagram, Facebook or any other social media apps. Individual set the notification. So make sure to go on this option on your device. Now let's see how to set specific notification sound for app. Again, go to apps on your device. Again, scroll down and tap the any social media application or any app you want to set notification. Here we select InShot application. So again, we select this. Now, when you scroll down, first tap the notification on your device. Now at the bottom, you can find the notification categories option. So tap on it. So make sure when I enable this option, you can see this option on your device. So make sure enable option. Now tap the notification categories. Now here you can see the different option. Tap any option. If available sound, you can see it. Now here in convert result, you can find the sound option. Tap on a sound. Now here you can select the ringtone specific from your device on your Samsung device. So it's quite easy to set a specific sound for specific app on your device. Let's see. We select the Facebook application. Now go to Facebook or any other social media application on your device. Tap the Facebook. Tap the notification. Scroll down. Tap the notification category. Here you can see the different notification account tag reminder. So select here we select your account. Now tap the sound and select the sound you want to set for the specific app. That's it. Like it, share it.